Hello, I'm Emanuele Stillitani and I work for CADMATIC as an application specialist. Today I want to introduce you to the eShare new user interface. First thing I want to highlight is that now I'm browsing the model inside Microsoft Edge, as you can see from here, but you could do this also with Google Chrome, for example. What else? You can see that some buttons have been rearranged. Here on the left, we can access main features, model, homepage, the map, browsing of documents, as much the administrative side, for example, project administration, system administration. You can hide this bar just clicking here. You keep on having on the left the hierarchy, but now you can easily hide the hierarchy on the left and hide this right part too, like this. You are almost full screen mode. What else you can do to enjoy a real full screen mode? You can click this button in the main toolbar, and now you are full screen. You can restore the typical view by pressing the Ask button or by clicking this button again. And you can show these sites again. That's all for today.